Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen surfing, so let's get started. To draw this cool tabby cat, let's first start by drawing her sunglasses. So I'm going to come right here and just kind of draw a straight line across. About that much. And leaving a little gap right in the center, I'm going to come about right here and basically draw the bottom of a U and come back up. So we're just drawing her shades. And same thing over here. Okay, so then I'm going to bring in here a little oval on each side for a little highlight, and then shade everything else in black. So definitely, if you don't like these shades right here, the shape is too plain, definitely go in and draw whatever shape shades you want. Okay, so from there, let's come in between and we're going to draw a straight line and then a curve out on both sides for the nose and mouth area. There. And then now let's come to the top right here, right in the center, not too far out, and we're gonna draw the top of Pusheen's head. So about right here, just gonna draw a slight curve, and then 2 ears. Pop it out, round it off at the tip, and come down. So same thing over here. Come up, round off the tip, and come down. And then right in between here, we're gonna draw 3 stripes. So 3 U's basically, and one right in the center. Okay, so Pusheen looks pretty small right now because we have a huge wave that we need to put her in. So let's come right here. So the only difference between this curve, this one is going to be nice and round, this one's going to come out. So just remember that we're going to come right here and we're going to come out more. And then this one is going to be really close to the edge of the shades and come down. So that's how we want to start the body. And then from there, we're going to slowly go back and forth to build this round body for Pusheen. So it's come out right here because we're kind of seeing her back because she is surfing. And so cool, right? So I'm going to bring this down. So I'm just going to go back and forth. And then about right there, because I'm using a Sharpie, I can't erase, I'm going to draw a little hand that pops out about in this area. If you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and finish the body first. So then now we're just continuing this curve. And now we're going to come down this side. So back and forth, back and forth. So it's just a little bit easier to gauge. And we're just aiming for everything to be nice and round over here. Okay, so then about right here, I'm going to start to bring it down. And because, once again, I need to draw a tail, I'm going to stop right here in this area. About right there. And I'm going to draw Pusheen's tail. So I'm just going to come out with a curve, round off, and bring it back in. Right there. And then continuing this curve. And about this area, I'm going to stop once again and draw a little foot. And now I can continue my curve. So once again, still going around. Just keeping that in mind. And another foot about right here. So kind of like where the edge of the sunglasses are. And then continue my curve and connect back up. There, finally done. So if you're using a pencil, definitely draw in this shape first and then go in and put in all the little feet and tail. Okay, so we have that basically in now. Now it's not too hard anymore. We just got whiskers and some stripes, right? Okay, so come right where the glasses are, and just gonna draw 2 stripes. 2 curves for the whiskers and 2 coming out on this side. And let's see here. Now for the stripes on the back, I love this part, so cool. So right here, we never get to see Pusheen stripes, only part of it. So this one's really cool. We get to see a big broad stripe right here and another one. This is one of my favorite Pusheen drawings. It's so cute surfing. So I'm so happy to be able to draw it for you, and thank you for the requests. And right here, we're going to draw 3 stripes. So about here and here and one more. Okay, so then we have one more hand, I almost forgot. So just come right across, about right here, and draw another curve for the hands, for the other hand. And now we are done with Pusheen. So let's put Pusheen on her surfboard. So it's kind of like a very thin, elongated egg, I would say. So I'm gonna come about right here and just slowly build this surfboard. So right here, and you know it's going to come out, so imagine it coming through about right here, round it off, and definitely turn your paper if you need to. I'm turning my body just so you can get a better gauge on how to draw this, because it's at a different angle. And come right back. And connect. There, got it in. Yay! And then on the original, there's some stripes right here of color, but of course you can decorate it however you like. I'm just gonna add a heart right here. Of course. So now it's my surfing Pusheen, right? From Draw So Cute. So then now let's draw a big wave, a big splash. So I'm just following the original. So about right here, there's a curve. And it's going to continue out about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big splash of water. And another curve and tuck it in. And then there's one that comes out about right here. It's so nice when someone has already drawn it and made it look so amazing, and all you need to do is go in there and copy it. There. Nice big splash right there. And so then now to draw the awesome wave. So I'm going to come where Pusheen is, kind of like the top of her head. Come straight out, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from there I'm going to draw a big curve. So this is the edge of our wave. And then I'm going to draw the foam on top of the wave. So come right here. And basically just going to draw a bunch of curves. So let's start at the bottom one first. I'm going to go up, and we're going to basically come around over Pusheen. So just remember that as you're drawing this. So one, and then now it's going to start to come more horizontal. Right over that splash. Right there, and then one more, and then just taper it off. So then let's draw the top. So this part right here is going to be round, and one more coming. This one is going to be longer, so it's just going to start to curve around to become more horizontal. So about right here. And then this part goes up, so it's one big one. Comes all the way down to this curve, and then one more, and that's it. Ta-da! So cool, right? And then you can draw some lines in here, or you can do it when you're coloring it. Give some details for some curves and a wave. Some here. And some bubbles, of course, right? So you can add as much detail as you want on this cute drawing. So on the original Pusheen surfing drawing, there's a bunch of her friends right here at the bottom of the wave, which is so cute. But today I'm just going to concentrate on Pusheen. And if you want to draw that, definitely check out the original Pusheen surfing drawing. You can draw all her friends down here. But that's pretty much it for this Pusheen surfing and looking so cool. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this drawing. I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks. Oh yes, I did say that already, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.